In this video, we're going to talk about editing an existing survey to make it InfraMarker compatible. We're not going to go through the details of the survey. We will be looking at the XLS form for this survey. As you can see here, it's a very simple survey. I'm going to add 6 rows here at the bottom of the survey above the repeat section so that I have the ability to paste in rows that I'm going to need for InfraMarker compatibility. There are 3 rows that are absolutely required, and I will point those out after I add them. So these 6 here that you see are the ones that we're going to copy. And when I do paste these in, we are going to get some notifications about some variable uses with bindings. That is normal. And you just say yes to all. On this row, you'll notice asset names. I generally recommend that unless your field crew needs to edit this, you go ahead and make it hidden as well, and enter the default value you were given when you got your license. It'll be in the email of what you were assigned for an asset owner. So I'm just going to use one that I have for my assignment here, and it's going to be hidden again. The 3 that are absolutely required are rows 15, 18, and 19. Row 15, InfraMarker ID, stores our unique ID from the RFID tags. In rows 18 and 19, you have InfraMarker write and read InfraMarker ID. These are the rows that are absolutely required. The latitude and longitude calculation is passed in for writing to the RFID tag and for storage in the cloud. The other line that we would normally add is something known as asset name. In this case, I already have something that serves as my asset name, which is the facility ID. That's what we know it by, and I'm going to use that for it. But in order to do that, I need to edit what is passed in the InfraMarker write question type, which is here in this concatenate section. I'm going to replace the variable name asset name with facility ID. In order to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and copy the facility ID. Go here to edit this cell and replace asset name with facility ID. I have now made my form acceptable. I'm just going to go ahead and save that, and then I'm going to go back over here to the form. As it goes through its conversion process, the form will come up. And we'll see a few things down toward the bottom that were added as I did that. The InfraMarker ID. That's where the unique ID will show up. This bluish line here has the concatenate part for the InfraMarker write question type. That will show up differently on your device, and we'll fill in this part. Everything else was actually hidden in that form. So now I need to go to Options. I want to enable my inbox, disable my sent folder, and now I'm ready to publish. Once it's published, I'll be able to download it to my device and use it. In that case, you'll go to the How to Use section. The publishing is complete. That is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.